Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.3 Purple Edition on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Kali official website, it is kali.org. Click on this get Kali or download, both are same. Click on either of them. See here we have the two options. Install images means ISOs or install virtual machines. In this video we are going to download and install. So click on this install images to download ISO image. See here the latest release is 2025.3. If you want to download older versions, you have to click on Kali Linux releases. Then scroll down for the Purple edition. See here we have the Kali Purple. See here we have two options to download, direct method and torrent. I am going to download by using direct method. So click on this download button. See, download started without registration. See, and its size is about 4.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Kali Linux 2025.3 Purple edition. Okay, so in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine, both are same. Next, now select the installer disk image file, then go to downloads by clicking on this drop down button. See here I have the Kali Linux 2025 ISO image. Select it, click on open, then click on next. Select Linux and version as Debian because it is Debian based operating system. So select the latest version from the list. So then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Kali, P means Purple 2025. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Use this pointer or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Okay, then click on OK. Close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or just select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are there. And if you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. The selected location will be used to set your time zone and also example to help select the system locally. Normally this should be the country where you live. Okay, it is up to you, whatever you want you can select. If your country is not found, then select other. Click on continue. Keyboard model I am going with the same defaults. Now provide the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it. Then click on next, that is continue. If you have domain name, provide domain name, otherwise keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to create our setup user. First we have to provide user full name, then click on continue, and this is the username. If you want some other you can provide. I am going with the same, continue. Now we have to set password for this user. See, these time zones are based on the location that we have selected. So I have selected United States, that's why it is showing these time zones. Select whatever the time zone that you need. Okay, so continue. partition is I'm going to use guided use entire disk, or you can select these options like manual or setup LVM, encrypted LVM, etc. Okay, next continue. Select disk to partition and continue. All files in one partition, continue. This is confirmation. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select this one. I'm okay with the partition, so select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. This is confirmation. Select yes and continue. Software selection, I'm going with the default desktop environment, that is XFC. If you want to go with Genome or KD Plasma, you can select. Okay, I'm going with XFC, so click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. Now install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. If you want, select yes, otherwise select no. Then click on continue. Then select the device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. So go to this virtual machine settings, right click, select settings, then go to CD DVD, then in device status and select both the check boxes. Then click on OK. Then click on continue to restart. Now provide the username and password. If you want to get the full screen, just click on this, enter full screen mode. Now go to menus. See, here we have different applications and different sections. Okay, now open terminal. Let me change the font size. Now verify the version more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 2025.3. Control A. If you want to verify the IP of the machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, the first step after connecting to Kali Linux 2025.3 population is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update --, sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the super user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrading 842 packages, installing 28. Okay, this much space is required. This is the download size. Okay, if you want, you can type S and hit enter, otherwise no. Okay, see, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.3 population on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.